Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for the Prime Minister Laptop Scheme Batch 4 through the official portal. Let's get started. First, open Google and type laptop.pmyp.gov.pk/. Once the website opens, click the three dots on the top right corner and select Existing Application. Now a new interface of Existing Application will appear. Here, fill in the following details: your city, university name, CNIC number, date of birth. Then click on Filter. If you already applied in previous phase, your name will appear. Scroll to the right and click Update. In this personal information interface, your previous data like name and address will already be there. Now carefully select the following options: domicile province, domicile city, employment status, no. Enrolled as disabled, no. Have you received a laptop before? Carefully select no. If you select yes, you'll be disqualified. Then click on Next Step. Now on the academic page, enter your enrollment number, same as registration number or class roll number. Select City of University. Select your university. Choose campus, main campus or city campus. Select your university department, like surgical technology under Allied Health Sciences. Select degree level. Select degree program currently enrolled in. Program duration, Bachelor of Science 4 years. Admission date. Important. If you are enrolled in a 4-year BS program, your admission date must be after the 31st of December 2021. If you are enrolled in a 5-year program, like DPT, the admission date must be after the 31st of December 2020. Students admitted before these dates are not eligible. The completion date will be automatically filled by the system. Select your system type, semester or annual. Choose your current semester. The year of study will auto-fill. Choose grading system, CGPA. Enter your FSC percentage. Then enter your CGPA from the latest officially announced semester before 30 March 2025. Click Next Step to open the Contact Verification section. Enter your mobile number and a working email. System will validate it. Then click Send Code. You'll receive a code on both. Enter the codes. Check I'm not a robot. Click Submit. You'll see the message: you have successfully registered for the PM Laptop Scheme. That's all. Thank you.